Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can choose the aspect ratio when you generate an image on Gemini Google Banana. By default, Google Banana on Gemini interface don't have the option for you to choose the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is always 1:1. You cannot change the prompt. You can type any prompt you want and it still generate with 1:1 aspect ratios. So I will show you two solutions that I know to choose the aspect ratio when you generate in Google Banana. The first one is Google Wix over here. You can go to lab-google Wix project, or you can search this one in the Google and go to this website and you will log into your account right here. And then I will create a prompt over here. I can generate a prompt automatically in this website. And you can see in this website, we have an option over here to choose the aspect ratio. You can choose square, you can choose portrait, or you can choose landscape. So I will choose 16:9 over here. You can do some modification. So now I will generate an image. Okay, there is the easiest way for you to create an image and you can choose specific aspect ratio. The good thing of this website is you can log into your Google account and use your AI credit that you paid in your plan to generate image. So by that, this website is not a free website and the speed of generating is very fast. You don't need to wait for other people to generate an image. Okay, the next option I will show you is you using AI Studio.google.com right over here. And right in the home page, you will choose the Nano Banana right over here. I will choose this one and I will choose the model Nano Banana right here. Now I will type in my prompt. Okay, you can see right here we have the aspect ratio to choose. I will choose this one. You can choose any kind of aspect ratio. You can choose 16:9, 5:4, 21:9. I will choose again 16:9 and let's see how it works. Okay, you can see the image has the aspect ratio 16:9 as we want. The downside of AI Studio from Google is that it's not used in your Google AI plan. It's just a free website for any people to log it in and to generate image, so the speed is quite low and you cannot generate too much image in a specific time. The best solution for me is you use Wix in Google right here. The quality is good, the speed is good, and it's used your Google AI credit to generate an image. And even you can see over here it don't have a Gemini logo. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.